When we came home, worn to the bones, I told myself this could get rough. And when I was off, which happened a lot, you came to me and said that's enough. And oh, I know that this love is pain, but we can't cut it from out these veins, no. So I'll get the lights and you light the dark. We're leaving this room till we both feel more. Don't walk away, don't roll your eyes. This ain't love, it's pain. Well, darling, let's hurt tonight. When you came home, warm to the bone, I told myself this can get rough. Oh, I know you feel insane. Tell me something that I can't explain. Oh, I'll get the lights and you light the dark. Tell me all the things that you couldn't before. Don't walk away, don't roll your eyes. This ain't love, it's pain. Well, darling, let's hurt tonight. If this love is pain, then darling, let's hurt tonight. So you get the lights and I'll lock the doors. Let's say all of the things that we
Lead them to the hidden world.
before.
You'll be safe there.
Won't walk away, won't roll
Safer than you could ever be.
my knees. Say
It's
love
okay.
is pain, well,
I love you,
darling,
Joe,
let's
and I want you to be
hurt
free.
tonight. If this love is pain, then honey, let's love tonight.